Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to zoom in or out while working in Smartsheet to get a closer look at your data, or maybe fit more of your grid on screen, you've probably noticed Smartsheet doesn't actually have a built-in zoom feature. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a super simple workaround that'll let you take control of how big or small everything looks. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to adjust the view in Smartsheet just the way you like it. Alright, let's get right into it. So first off, it's important to know there really isn't a zoom function inside Smartsheet itself. Unlike some other spreadsheet tools, you won't find a handy zoom slider at the bottom of your screen or tucked away in a menu. But that doesn't mean you're out of luck. Since Smartsheet runs in your web browser, we can use your browser's built-in zoom controls to get exactly the effect you're looking for. Let's walk through the most straightforward way to zoom in and out. If you look up at the top right of your browser window, whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or even Firefox, you'll usually see a button with 3 dots or sometimes 3 lines. Go ahead and click on that. This opens your browser menu. Don't worry if this takes a moment to find. It's usually sitting right at the top alongside your address bar. Once you've opened that menu, look for the section labeled Zoom. You'll see a small plus and minus sign next to a percentage. Clicking the plus sign will zoom in, making everything on your Smartsheet bigger and easier to read. The minus sign will zoom out, which fits more data onto your screen, handy if you're managing big project plans or want that bird's eye view. Now, if you'd rather use a shortcut, and honestly most people do because it's much quicker, try this next method. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard. On a Mac, that'll be the Command key instead. Then, while keeping that key held down, use the scroll wheel or scroll function on your mouse. Push it forward to zoom in or pull it back to zoom out. You'll see your Smartsheet get bigger or smaller instantly, right before your eyes. This is fantastic if you're a person who moves between tasks quickly or likes to tweak your view on the fly. And if you ever accidentally zoom way too far in or out, don't panic. Just repeat the process until you're comfortable or reset to the browser's default zoom, usually by pressing Ctrl and 0 or Command and 0 on a Mac. These browser zooming tools aren't just for Smartsheet. They work on almost any website or web-based app. So in a way, knowing this trick can help streamline other parts of your online work too. Remember, even though Smartsheet doesn't have its own zoom, these quick browser shortcuts give you all the control you need to view your sheets comfortably, whether you're poring over details or stepping back to see the big picture. That's really all there is to it, but it's such a handy tip once you know it. If this helped you out, let me know by hitting that like button, and if you have any questions about Smartsheet or want to know more helpful browser tricks, drop me a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.